Hey, what's going on, guys? As you can see, I'm back out with my HPI Trophy Flux truggy, and I've done a bit of damage. I wasn't going to show you, but I'll go to a quick clip. Oh no, it actually snapped the pin. Snapped the suspension. Oh no. Brand new car. Now, as you can see, I've had to use a different type of front shock. You're probably saying in your head, why didn't you use the two of the same? Well, I can't use the other one of this because it's having trouble. I just kind of changed the geometry. As you can see, they're actually mounted in different spots. And I wound this up. They seem to be kind of the same. Obviously, you're not going to have as much movement in one side to the other, but that doesn't seem to be a problem at the moment. It is quite low, but I've got my skid plate on, so got a bit of protection. This thing's an absolute weapon. Oh, that's the first tip. Might have been on the new suspension side. It looks like it was actually. So it might be really soft. Too soft for this. Something I couldn't try. Yep. Broken, sorry everyone.
I'm filming you crash the car.
Oh, yep.
Oh.
Broken.
Oh, is it gone?
Yep. Oh well. Good fun while it lasts.
Oh, thank you.
That's alright. and my fan is not working. Yeah, about $14.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. I didn't think I could do backflips, and yeah, I was pretty right. If I had a little bit bigger wheels, definitely be able to do backflips, but you know, what can you do? So I broke the steering, that's about it. That's not bad. Like I said, it's cast aluminium, so it was going to break eventually. Yeah, definitely cast, look at that. So yep, that's it. Yep, I'll have to definitely find, I reckon plastic ones are going to be better. You can get actually aluminium, proper billet aluminium steering hubs, so I might look at them. They're not really expensive, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, no worries guys, it's going to be it for today. Cheers, catch us in the next video, and as always, stay safe. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below.